Hello, my YouTube channel followers and viewers. Today I will show you how to highlight desired content in text with Notepad++. It is very simple and does not require much time. Highlighting text like this makes it easier to find content. I have opened a text file that contains both text and numbers. I would like to show you how to use a regular expression to mark numbers in this text. You can highlight not only numbers, but anything that needs to be highlighted, but I'll show you exactly with numbers. To highlight text, press Search. Next, press Mark. A window will open where you can specify the search type. I will mark the regular expression. Next, I will specify the regular expression in the search engine that I want to highlight all numbers in the text. Once the search criteria are specified, click Mark All. As you can see, all the numbers in the text are highlighted. This makes it easier to search for content.